And other team is Sinisa. Wala ba dyan dapat para sa kabila? Ayun na, Michael. And here we go. The Bulls go. Ayan na, Acuña for the first shot. Kaya, back. Good point. Acuña. Ayun talaga na. 2-0. First score. St. Remy. Here's number 42. Sila. Ang pinawin ng tawag. Abang mo ba? Talay. Royo. Perales. Go. And he goes to my game, number 7. Here's number 4, Vicky. Go. And all goes to. Here's number 23, pass to number 8, Acuña. Rolling the ball outside inbound. And going to black ball. 0-2, ang ating score. Inbound by number 24, Wallington. And still by number 25. 7, 8, take the shot, go. Rebound, and foul. There's a foul, right? Number 17, Tolentino. First foul of the game. And here's the training to number 7, Michael. Number 7 to the free. Not good. And number 17, still by number 7, Michael. Looking for his teammate to number 25. Here's number, Kabantog, number 20, 40, 25. And goes to number 24. Number 24, second training. And I need to whistle, foul number 25, right? 20. 25 yun, diba? 25. Yep, 25. 2-5. Tolentino again. On the drive. Here's number 9, Acuña. Foul again. Who's foul right? Number? Can you please raise your hand? Number 7. The score for natin is 0-2. And number 9 on the 2 points free throw shot. Here's the first one. And go. And here's the last one. Acuña number Dr. Chanting pa. Congratulations, Doctor. And number 9, no good again. And going to ano nangyari? Big ball, number 17. Number 7. Here's number 17 again. Take the shot. Take rebound number 23. Number 24, Royo. Here's number 23 on the middle, left shot. Using the left hand. 2-3 by number 2 points by number 23, Sultan ball. And number 7, long shot, but it's not good. Here's number 4, 28, Kabantog, not good again. Recovery by lost ball by number 2-0. Number 25, back to Kabantog. Easy pass by number 7. Number 7 again. Katala on the 3. 3 points by number 7. Katala. And position by Eugene. Score mo natin. High point. In favor of Eugene. And inbound numbers to number 7, long shot, no, rebound, goes to number 7, take the shot, no again, and one goes to number 24, passing by number 7, 17. Here's Rono.
Wow! Ang ganda nun!
And the score, 6-5. Number 35 to number 7, still to number 9. Number 17, no. Rebound again. To win 3, Rotamo. To number 9. Running inside, take a shot, no, and the foul goes through. Who's number? Number 42? 4-0. Tinabla ang bayan sa labas na matulog-tulog naman. 1% left, 1%. Alright, number 11, Solanzo. And changed by number 17, Halili. And number 9, Akunya, Dr. Jackie Akunya. Ang doktor na mga hayop. Here's number 9. Good, the last one? Yes, sir. Good. Number 7. To number 11, Solanzo. Double kick. Take a shot, good shot, not good. Rebound. Lost ball. And 2 points. Jamil Akunya. On the line. Number 4-0. Sabutan natin yun, hoy. Lumampas ka, Number 2, Roy Joseph Lagay to the number 17, Tolentino. Tolentino on the drive. Passing by number 7 to number 23. Last ball. And the ball goes to Eugene. Number 7. Check by number 24, Royo. For 2-0. And number 23, Sotalbo.
Bumangga, di ba?
Ginahasa. And number 11. And here's Solanzo. To number Siligaw. Kicking the ball by number 4-0. Where is the ship? And check by to the number 9. Akunya on the drive, on the middle, no good. Who's on that number 25? Warning for penalty. Ang ating kaganapan. Score po natin is 10-9. Here's number 20 Sotalbo. And again. Counted. Number 7, pushing foul. Number 7. And on the middle of the lane, number 23 Sotalbo for the 2 shots. And the first.
Yes.
Good. 1% Eugene. And here's number 23 for the last shot, Sotalbo. Low pull shot, no good. Rebound, number 4-20. 25 to number 7. Number 7. Back pass to Solanzo to the 3. Go. Rebound by number 24. Royo. Royo on the right. Royo on the middle. On the attack. In and out. And the ball goes to big ball. And some number 10. Number 10 Solanzo. To number number 4, Malomoy. Dalawang sulang-suna ang nasa loob. And number 11, on the 3, no, 7, on the 3 again, not good, and the rebound number 10, on the corner, there's number 7, to the 3, two-point by number 7, number 7 is Solanzo. Solanzo on the attack. Number 9, one point by number 17 to number 9. 2 points for you. Top, Jack Hill. Oh, big rebound. Number 20. Son Albo. Arah by number 6. Number 7. What's that line?
Counted.
Who's correct? Number? Pangino, boss. Tumigil ka. Number 4. Palomoy. And penalty. Ayuda. 1 minute and 20 seconds for the first game. For the first half of the game. So, Talbo. Number 2. Yes, sir. Wala. Hoy! Salamat sa nagbigay ng ayuda. Mabuhay mo kayo. And the last shot by Sukalbo. No. To number 10. Balik, 1 minute. Take a shot. Listen. And there's a foul. Who's foul that number? Number 17. Number 17. Tolentino foul. 40 seconds left for the first half of the game. And Kamatong for the center. Advantage for the British. Good. 1-1. And last is not. Tolentino for the rebound. Esteban, pumasok pa pala ang aking idol. Parang hindi pa wala siya na ito. Ano po? Tawag! Offensive foul. Number 1, si... And here's number 7. Number 7. Dami grasya. So number 7 again. Number 9, number 1. And take the pass of Solaso on the corner. Go! And here's the time ball. And number 70. To number 40. Here's number 25 on the 3. Go! Here's number 10.
Godong!
Take the shot. And shot. Oh! And 40. Left foot shot down. Again, and number 25 to number 7. On the drive. Against the to number 25. Here's number 90. 90 on the right. And that's Olisel. Who's fouled that number? Number 40. Second personal foul. And 19 on the center for the 2 bonus shot. And here is the secretary, number 80. To number 10.
Yes!
On the corner low. Rebound. And ball goes to Nugent. To number 7. Number 7. On the drive. Solanso again on the corner. No. Versus Stellan. Taking the last ball. And number 90. Against by number 20. On the drive.
Yes!
Take a shot. And there's a whistle again. And number 25. Foul. Third personal foul. And running for some. Children, don't play around, please. Just sit properly on the corner.
The shit.
And here's number 19, Alcaraz. Good. The first one is good.
Isa pa!
And Alcaraz for the last shot. Yes, sir. Number
Nice.
19, another 1 point. And 19-40, ang ating score. Number 7. Number 7 to number 420, back to number 7. And take the shot. Go. Rebound. This is Stellan. The number 9. Number 11. Try to steal. Let's go for the ball. Still back to there. Let's go. 2 points by number 10. The number 19, Alcaraz. Number 8, 80. The number 90, 16, Esteban. Number 20. Rono.
Yes!
Go.
Long!
Again, rebound. Take a shot. Not good. Halili. Foul. Number 20. Rono, RJ, not good. One for some. Nugent.
Isa lang.
Number 20 on the last shot. Good. One for some. And here's number 7. 2 for 20.
Ari, where have you been? What happened? What happened?
And number 17. Lock.
Wow!
And jump ball between number 16 and 17.
Okay.
But same ball, ang hapon nila.
What happened? What happened? What happened?
Number 7. Katala, post on the room. Here's number 17. To Solanso. Here's number 17.
Depensa!
Pass to number 10. Michael on the corner. No. 17. And who's calling? Number 80. That's number 80. Number 80. Wow. Mars. Cagabero. And number 17, Haji. Number 17, her shot is not good. And the last shot by Haji. Number 17. No. And one more last chance. One more last chance. Number 17, Haji. Another opportunity for Nugent. Haji. No good. Rebound number 3. paling keras efficiently to number 80.
Commerce!
Anadero.
Commerce!
Take a shot. And there's a foul. Number 17, Halili. One more shot. And here's Tago, number 20. Replacing Esteban, number 16. Number 18. Not good? Not no basket. No out, no out. Alright.
Go
One
Mars!
more shot.
Go Mars!
And Calidero, number 80. Yes, sir. Sab, pasok. Palaway. Tuhali. Number 7, Atala. Number 11, Solazo. Solazo on the move. Here's number 7, number 3.
Rebound!
And back to number 11, Solazo. Solazo. To number 7, Atala. 24-16. And number 1. Number 1. Number 11. Leading ball by number. How about Siri? That's the first time. All right. Stay ready. And number 17 to number 27, back to number 17.
Yes!
Number
Yes!
1, 2, 1. And here's number 7 again. To the long way to number 20. Pass to number 9. Still by number 7. Here's number 7. Against the number 1.
Pensa!
Number 7 to number 10
Pensa!
on the wing. Number 10, ball. And here's Raja.
Yes.
Raja Mr. Bonawan.
Ah!
No. Rebound.
Rebound, guys.
Goes to number 7. To number 7 again.
Pensa!
Here's Katana. Foul.
Ay, nalaglag.
Yung dinamagan mo. So,
Come on!
and he's Katana. Katana on the drive. And there's a foul. And foul number 17. Tolentino. Tolentino, third personal foul. Third personal foul. Number 7. 19 to shoot. To the corner. Palawan, no.
Aba, wala kang iba.
Palawan during the play is ball low. And here's the number 24, Roger. Roger.
Go Mark!
And Sotango.
Ay!
No. Mariko Sam. What's happening? What's going on? Tell me, tell me. Relax, relax. And number Sotango. Take it.
Yes!
Mariko Sam, sit down, ladies, sit down. Relax. Number 7.
Depensa!
To number 10. Solanzo on the hook. Good ball. Solanzo. And the ball goes through. Big ball. Mariko Sam, waktu lain masuk. Masuk ayo, masuk. Jangan perang, perang. Ano ba? Pamasok ba? Ano ba? Ganito, pag sinabi ng referee pumasok, pumasok kayo. Pero pag wala sinasabi, warning for objection the rules. Delivery. Alright. Kamana, inbound the ball. And Sola number 3. To number 7. Rebound.
Foul.
Here's Rano.
Yes!
Left back. Here's
Lock.
and the ball goes through. Pick ball. 1 minute for the second half of the game. And the score is 29-20.
Depensa.
Here's Kamala.
Depensa. Gochan! Counted! Open!
Personal foul by number 17. 22-20 on the score. And 20 seconds left for the second half of the game. Using the time by number 7 Kamala. To the three. Two balls. All victors. Tayo mag-music muna. Masyadong mainit.
Hindi ko alam eh. Kalma lang. Kalma lang, kalma lang.
Back to the ball game.
Gobi!
24.
Gobi! YJ! Rebound, rebound! Depensa, depensa!
Abantog.
Depensa!
Number 1, number 7, Kosovo, number 3. And number 25. Mas ko pa.
Nangyari.
Sorry. Number 17 and lost ball. Ball goes to Shatlak.
Depensa!
16 to shoot.
Go Dubs! Go Dubs!
2 points.
Nice! Depensa!
Here's Solanzo on the line. Again,
Depensa!
and
Robin!
who's forward?
Robin!
Number 9, Dr. Jamil. And
Depensa! 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 Depensa!
Number 7.
Depensa! Depensa!
2 points. Number 24 to number 23.
Go Mark! Go Mark!
Take the shot, go. Set number 78 to rebound.
Depensa!
Number
Depensa!
7
Depensa! Depensa!
to Solanzo. Take the shot, hook shot, go. Rebound by number 23, San
Nice!
Santos.
Go Dubs! Go Dubs! Foul! Foul!
There's a foul. There's a foul. Who's correct? 3. Number 7. 17, sorry. Foul.
Go Dubs!
Number 9. 1 equal sub.
Go Doc! Ay! Salang!
Not good.
Salang!
And last shot by number 9. Acuña for the last shot. Yes, sir.
Yes!
Thumbs up. Number 7, Michael. Here's number 7.
Depensa! Depensa! Yes! Depensa!
Take the shot. Yes, sir. Number 7 for 2 points. Number 24, here's Rano.
Go Mark! Foul!
Very good.
Yes! Foul! Counted! Nice!
Basket count by number
Yes.
7. And another ball shot by number 23.
Go Dong! Go Dong!
Number 20 for the one. And rebound.
Yes! Dong!
Let's stay out to part of rebound by number 2 and 3.
Counted! Nice Mark!
Number 23, 25. Number 25, personal foul. 1 personal, 1 personal.
Go Mark! Go Mark!
And number 23.
Rebound! 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 Ganon lang! Ganon lang! Ganon lang! Ganon lang! Yes! Yes! Nice! Nice!
Warning for timeout. Warning for timeout. Timeout.
Yes! Ganon lang! Ganon lang! Nice! Yes! 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 Okay lang yan!
Number 7, rebound the ball.
Depensa! Depensa! Depensa!
120.
Depensa sa kabila! Ah! Yes! 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 Yes!
Let's go.
Yes! That's what I'm talking about!
Number 4.
Depensa!
11.
Depensa! Depensa!
Number 2.
Come on!
Number 20 to number 1.
Foul!
And 1 17 seconds left. 17 seconds remaining. Shut up. White goes up. Solaso by number 4. Palomoy.
Go side, Remy! Yes!
Well good.
Depensa! 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 Black.
And the ball goes to
Black ball.
Safe ready.
Go team! Go team!
Number 2.
Toto!
Number 1.
Yes!
To number 3.
Toto! Yes! Depensa! Depensa!
Number 7. Number 7.
Depensa! Yan!
Yung bata, pakikuha yung bata.
Brianna!
One goes up.
Brianna!
One goes up. Here's number.
Kami Brianna!
And here's Halili. To Kabartok. And Palomoy. 14 seconds shot clock.
Depensa! Yes! Depensa! Depensa!
Go. Number 1 again. To number 1. And here's Saint Ready.
Gabi! Baba!
Saint
Galing!
Ready and number 1.
Oh, EJ!
Take the shot, go. Akuya. Number 9. Pushing foul. Number 10. One goes up. Pare na po dito.
Depensa!
Number 7. Palomoy, number 4. Go.
Yes!
And number 3. To Akuya.
Yes! Foul! Walang foul! Walang foul!
Score ko namin is 4-37. Kapala.
Depensa! Depensa!
Depensa lang to.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
And number 27.
Ay!
Hermanos.
B.
And here's Rojo. Rojo.
Go team! B, timing ka! Come on! Come on! Yes! B. Tumahimik ka, B. B, tumahimik ka. Oh! Bakit? Bakit? Bakit?
Pare.
Nangyari?
Rep. Dito.
Nangyari?
Stop pare. Okay. Number 420 draw off the game. Hindi na siya pwede dito.
Ano daw?
Pakinggan na.
Yung si Ryan foul out. Hindi ko alam bakit. Hindi ko alam kung sinabi niya eh.
So, true free throw and two ball.
Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari.
True free throw and ball possession of Saint Remy.
Anong nangyari ba?
Ryan Butler, number 23. Sabi lang, kasi maganda yung ano para...
Kalma lang!
Game na ba yan?
Wala ko nakikita.
Yes!
Ano ba yun?
Huwag tayo lang padala sa ating episode. Championship, mga kapatid.
Gamar!
Number 23.
Yes! Yes!
Another one. And ball possession.
B, wag mo na nga. O ka na, ikaw, pag ikaw. Mayos ka, Bia.
Here's number 1.
Quiet lang, quiet.
Magpalamig mo na tayo mga kapatid.
Come on! Come on!
And 1. One shot. Who's foul line? Who's foul line? Number 1.
Medyo ano na sila.
Number 17. Number 17. Personal foul.
Go, Mark!
Pick.
Go, Mark!
For the third quarter of the game. Down goal. Who's foul line? Number 23, Sitano.
Relax, relax.
30 seconds for the third half of the game. Third. Number 7.
Depensa!
Number 17.
Depensa!
Number 7. Hatara. Sonato. Andiata. Go. Come on. And who's calling? Number 17. Number 17.
Yes! Happy graduation!
Possession line. And up the third. Field of the game. Let's go for the oh. Ang bilis ng pangyayari.
Nice!
Ang bilis ng pangyayari mga kapatid. Pero huwag yung talenta, lagi yung talenta. Relax lang, relax lang. Laro nyo lang. Huwag nyo masyadong 43 ang ating score. Here's 1 to number 24. Inbound the ball.
Go, Mark!
From Pablo. Rojo, set the lane. Still, number 10. Number 10. Number 10.
Depensa, depensa, depensa!
There's number 7. Goal! And the ball goes to Juja. Direct lang. Direct lang. Number 11, Solanco. Next for number 27, on the pitch. Turn around. Solanco on the line.
Grabe!
Yung tito ko yung nilagay lumapit sa ating medyo hawi-hawi na naman. Relax. Here's Rojo. Rojo. To number 23, Solanco.
Go, Mark!
Go! Reload! Reload!
Contact!
Pass it down.
Yes!
7. And pass it down. Number 7. By number 23. It's not more than this. 46. 43.
Let's go!
Here's Solanco for the one shot. Go! Solanco again.
Yes!
And the ball goes to Nugent.
Hey, don't fight, don't fight.
To number 25.
Depensa! Depensa!
To number 10.
Depensa!
Number 1.
Baba, baba, baba!
And ball back the ball to Nugent.
Oo nga. Kasi hindi niya.
Number 10.
Oo, ganun siya.
And here's number 7. Number 7. On the ball, back the ball goes on. And the ball moves on.
Black ball!
Second range.
Ogan! Ito, ito. Ogan.
90. Almas. Here's one on the
Yes! Go, rebound!
And Perez.
Yes, yes! Baba, baba, baba!
Take the shot.
Yes! Grabe talaga si Mark!
2 points on the ball. Number 24.
Baba.
Rolando.
Sa ilalim. Go Kurt. Set. And the shot! Yes! Yes! Grabe talaga si Mark!
And number 8 on setting the play. Number 7, Michael. Boom. Again, Rolando.
Baba! Kalma lang!
Yes!
Yes! O, depensa! Wala na, boy! Wala na!
Yes, Perales. Alcaraz.
Nice!
Lucky ball. 1 for timeout. Nugent. Lucky ball. Who's that number 7? Oh, timeout. Nugent.
Nice! Pero
Ano score mo na?
ulit na sila. Hindi lumabas na yung laro.
45. And back to the ball game. 6 minutes and 55 seconds.
Go team!
On the court.
Gatong!
Quarter of the game.
Ay, Dong!
Again.
Nice!
And here is number.
Depensa!
Solang.
Wala!
Yeah, for the rebound.
Umikot ka pa! Baba.
Number 20. With number 9.
Yes!
Baksak.
Walang foul.
Number 25.
Depensa! Bola!
Number 20. Again, foul. And on the center, number 25. For the 2. Bonus shot. Number 25. Good.
Nice, baby, nice.
Number 21. Roger setting the play. Kakabang na to, mga sundalo sila.
Sa ilalim. Yan. Dito ka.
Number 24.
Over!
283. No good.
Block.
And who's got it?
Ay, foul.
Okay, last touch. By number 23. Posolonso.
Wala na! Kanina lang yun.
Alcaraz on the jump shot. Oh! And here's number 7.
Depensa!
On the attack. There's shot. No good. And here's the big ball. Number 9. Here's the third.
Yes!
Yes, 2 points by number 9.
Wala, naubos na yung swerte niya. Naubos na yung swerte sa tres. Wala na. Inubos yung swerte niyo eh.
And the total score is 56-46. 4 minutes and 25 seconds on the floor.
Yes!
And Alcaraz on the attack.
Yes! Ang ganda nun!
2 points.
Ang ganda nun! Depensa!
Number 11, Solanzo. Take the shoot.
Depensa!
On the 3.
Wala na!
Goal.
Ubus na nga yung swerte nyo!
Number 11.
Wala na nga! Kulit! Ubus na nga yung tres nyo! Wala na! Inubos nyo na!
Solo na.
Nice!
19. 2 points by Alvarez. Warning one. Ano warning naman?
Mommy, purple like chocolate.
Okay, warning number 24. Yandex Runner for saying in the manufacture of the application. Foul.
Di kalma nga.
Number 7. Katal.
Depensa!
To number 10. No.
Wala na nga.
Yes,
Kulit.
Dr. Jandy.
Swerte lang yun.
Number 9. Using the time.
Kalma lang.
7. Warning for timeout. Sit ready.
Kalma. Kalmahan nyo lang.
There's one. On the screen. No. And here's the defense on that side. Rebound. Number 30. Aga. Timeout. Set. Run.
Yes!
And the score is 60-40. Ginagawa ko lang po ang ating last 2 minutes for the 4th quarter of the game. And inbound line number 10, Solanzo. Number 25.
Depensa!
Here's number 7 on the long range. No. Number 25, 2 points. And number
Go Christian! Kalmahan mo lang! Kalma lang! Go Christian!
Oh, rebound. Number 7.
Depensa!
Number 10.
Depensa! Ano yun?
Number 7. Number 11. 2 points for number 11. Salazar.
Oh. Kalmahan lang!
Number 1.
Ubus oras!
Setting the play.
Ubus oras!
10 to shoot.
Kalma lang!
Here's the
Set
corner
lang.
to Tolentino.
Jermaine!
On the corner. Foul by number 7.
Nice!
1 minute and 13 seconds for the 4th quarter of the game.
Go Chan! Go Mahal! Go Chan!
2 ball shots.
Mekani! Yo! Nice!
On the first one.
Mekani!
Number 17.
May shot ka naman yan! Depensa!
To number 11.
Wala na, ubus na nga.
Tolentino.
Tres ng tres eh. Foul!
Tolentino.
Lore! Foul! Go Mahal!
Tolentino. Go.
Ay!
And 54 seconds.
Depensa!
And number 10.
Depensa! Ang kulit! Wala na ng tres. Foul.
Who's fouled up?
Tres ng tres, hindi na maswerte.
Wala. Sorry.
Ubus na nga yung swerte kanina. Kasi, inubos.
Here's number 20.
Ubus oras!
Number 1. Oras.
Easy lang.
30 seconds for the quarter number 10.
Yes!
Number 16.
Yes!
7.
Chan! Yes!
And number 40.
Yes!
14 seconds.
Yes!
Solanzo.
Grabe!
To number 10.
Yes!
Number 7.
Yes! Yan!
5 seconds. Where's his
Go,
man?
JC!
And that's it! Winning by Sam Rally 62. Thank you for your high-quality sportsmanship today. And our referee, thank you so much for a good whisper of the wisdom.
Grabe! Wala
Yung
talaga.
ating
Kahit pa ulit ng press, wala talaga.
Teacher